In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make Google Save Gmail passwords. We are going to do this directly in Google Chrome by turning on the setting that allows Chrome and Google Password Manager to offer to save your login details. This is useful if the save prompt is not showing up when you sign in or if it was turned off in the past. Start by opening Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the top right corner of the window and click the three dots menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you can access your browser settings. From that menu, select Settings. On the Settings page, find and open Autofill and Passwords. This is the section where Chrome manages things like addresses, payment methods, and saved sign-ins. In that same area, select Google Password Manager. This takes you into the password tool that handles saving and filling usernames and passwords for websites, including Gmail. Next, look to the left side of the Google Password Manager screen and click Settings. This is an important area because it controls whether Chrome will ask to save passwords in the first place. Now find the option labeled Offer to Save Passwords and toggle it on. When this is enabled, Chrome will display a save prompt after you successfully sign in to a site. If it stays off, you may sign in repeatedly and never see the option to save. After you have turned that on, log out of your Gmail account. Then sign back in normally with your usual credentials. This re-triggers the sign-in flow, which is when Chrome is able to detect the login and offer to save it. As you finish signing in, watch the top right corner of Chrome for a small pop-up from Password Manager. When that prompt appears, click Save. Once you save it, Chrome can remember the password for future sign-ins on that device and in that Chrome profile. If you do not see the pop-up right away, make sure you are signed into the correct Chrome profile and that you are using Chrome, not an incognito window, since password saving is typically disabled there. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.